Hi folks, it's Vitaly from HelpingHandAffiliate.com. In this video, what I'm going to be sharing with you is basically everything that you need to know about getting started with digital marketing, what it is, how it works, examples, all that sort of stuff. If you don't already know, I am someone that does digital marketing for a living and I do make a full-time income doing it. Here are some of my income reports from it. Basically, I make money online through digital real estate and I also help other people do it as well. And while I'm not some sort of millionaire in this business, I do get to live a very debt-free and flexible lifestyle thanks to the advantages that digital marketing offers, which I will be talking about in this video as well. Before I get into all the details and everything that I want to share with you, I do just want to say that if you enjoy the content of this video, please leave a like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy it. And at the same time, I'm also available for questions, so you can leave them below if you're watching this on YouTube or if you're watching this video on a website. Now, to get started, I've broken down the video of this video into 5 different parts. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to give you an understanding of digital marketing, what it is, how it works. Then I'm going to give you examples of digital marketing so you just have an idea, a picture of what it looks like. Then after that, I'm going to share with you the pros and cons of doing digital marketing from my own experiences. Then I'm going to be sharing with you the 2 main ways to succeed with the digital marketing world, especially if you're new. And then I'm going to share with you the best way to get started with digital marketing if you're also very new or tight on money through a course and training that I do highly recommend that also helped me get started in this business and get to where I am today with it. So let's just jump right into it with the first part of this video, where we're just going to be talking about what digital marketing is. And basically this very short definition that I've created for it is it's anything related to promoting stuff online. That's basically it. Digital marketing is also basically another way of saying running an online business. So if somebody tells you that they make money online, that they run an online business, they are basically doing digital marketing. So that's what I do. So whether I say, hey, I'm a digital marketer, hey, I make money online, or hey, I run an online business, it's all the same thing. It's almost synonymous, if you will. That's the easiest way to understand what digital marketing is. So I generally promote stuff online through a thing called affiliate marketing, where I don't really own a product, but I promote it and I earn commissions from it. But it is still digital marketing. So if you run a business, if you're promoting stuff that's yours or someone else's stuff, you're still doing digital marketing whether you know it or not. Now, with that out of the way, let's get to the next part of the video, which is examples of digital marketing. The first one is promoting your physical business online through, for example, Google Maps, for instance. Let's say you own a coffee shop in Chicago and you want more people who are on their phones that are in Chicago that type in coffee shops near me to see your business. The way that you would promote that business is basically digital marketing. You would basically put your listing up on Google Maps, Yelp, those kinds of things. That's all an example of digital marketing. Next, promoting affiliate products through online ads like Google ads, Facebook ads, and so on and so forth. I was talking about this earlier, but affiliate marketing, promoting affiliate products means that you earn commissions for promoting products you don't always own. So I promote a lot of products online. I mainly do affiliate marketing for digital marketing. I promote outdoor products because I'm really interested in that. I promote make money online products. I promote all sorts of different gear. I used to promote a lot of diet and fitness products when I was getting started in this business, and how I promote them, which in this case is through ads, is an example of digital marketing. Next, promoting a blog and having it show when people look up stuff online so they find your website. If you've ever done a Google search, and I imagine you have, or you've been on YouTube and you've done a search, the videos that pop up or the sites that pop up from your search, those people that have those websites pop up in front of you, those people are engaged in digital marketing. And finally, here's another one, promoting a YouTube video where people look up keywords to see yours. Again, same exact example. And for the last 2, I'm just going to show you one of my websites and one of my videos that pops up for these sorts of things. So I'm just going to head over here. So this is a website that I run. It's called The Nature Seeker. I basically share my passions because I like to travel outdoors. I do engage in digital marketing because I share places that I go to, and people find my site on Google by looking up these places or looking up product reviews. And this site has, since the beginning of 2022, gotten almost 250,000 visits. And these are free visitors where people go on Google and they type in like one of the locations, like is Secret Beach, Oregon. They put that into Google. Guess what? I pop up for that. In fact, let me just show you what this looks like. So if I type in Secret Beach, Oregon, I'm over here. I'm number 3. See, it says thenatureseeker.com. So they click on that, and I monetize that website through affiliate marketing. I promote outdoor products. If people click on the links on my site and they buy the products from another third-party site, I get a commission for that. I also run ads on the site, and that's one of the ways that I make money. Here's another example. So if I go to YouTube and I type in Wealthy Affiliate, which is the program that actually taught me this stuff, you're going to see some ads here as the first result. But number 3 is my video. So this is me and other people as well engaged in digital marketing, because if you type in these keywords, which are searches, and you get videos or websites and stuff, you're basically bringing customers to whatever content that you create so you can promote stuff to them, okay? So I hope that makes sense. Now, in order to do digital marketing, you need to have at least one or more skills in place. First, you need to know about traffic generation skills, SEO, which means getting free visitors from Google, blogging, which is what I do. It's also mixed together with SEO, paid ad knowledge. You need to know at least one of these things in order to be a digital marketer, because a huge essence of success in digital marketing involves being able to bring people from the internet to your site, to your business, whatever the case is, whether it be an online business or a physical business. The way that you get visitors, or what it's called is traffic in the online sphere, you need to have one of these skills, okay? And it's also knowing how to turn visitors into customers, which is through things like sales funnels. Just because you bring visitors to your website, for instance, doesn't mean that the money is automatically coming in. You have to convince people to do these sorts of things. So a lot of what I personally do as a digital marketer is, yes, I bring a lot of visitors to my website, but then the visitors that come to my website, I write a lot of reviews for products that I'm highly recommending as an affiliate, and they read those reviews, and the more convincing that review is, the more likely I am to get people to convince people to buy the stuff that I'm promoting. So this is where you have to have a certain set of skills, okay? So let's move forward into the next part of the video, and let's talk about the just a second, let me just make sure I have this right over here. Let's talk about the pros and cons of digital marketing. So there are a lot of pros in my experience of being a digital marketer and not too many cons, but it's still important to know both sides of this. So first of all, it is a very in-demand skill. It's an in-demand skill because, you know, there's billions of people on the internet using it. It's so much potential customer base, and there's a lot of businesses that invest in digital marketers, that hire them. There's startups that involve having digital marketers for them. There's a lot of freelance work involved in that kind of stuff. It's a huge in-demand skill. And just as well, it's a recession-proof kind of business. If you know how to do digital marketing, there's a very good chance that you're going to be very successful in general, in your career, in your financial life, if you do things correctly. It's not always the case. A lot of people fail in this business, don't get me wrong, but it is one of the most recession-proof industries in the world, basically, and in life. It's a great career choice. There's no limit to how much you can make. There's a lot of flexibility and options. There's many ways to do digital marketing. That's what I mean by that. It's very flexible work. You can work when you want and where you want. One of the things that I'm very happy about doing as a digital marketer is, first of all, I'm in my apartment right now, but when I travel and I enjoy checking out a lot of nature places, I know that as I am working, I can check my site, my stuff, my emails, all that stuff on my phone, so I can work remotely whenever I want to. I can choose my own hours. I can travel and make money while I do it. It's one of the many flexibilities and advantages of being a digital marketer, okay? Next, you can literally create an online business on something that you love. That's one of my favorite aspects of being a digital marketer. A lot of people don't know this, but you can actually do that. So I enjoy traveling. I enjoy exploring nature. I like having adventures in these kinds of areas. And basically, I run one of my websites, thenatureseeker.com, that shares these adventures with other people so they can, you know, learn from these things, so they can buy the stuff that I recommend them. So I'm basically making money off the passion that I have, and it continues to further fuel my ambitions to travel further, to explore more places, because as I'm doing it, I know that my site is making me money. I know that I'm okay with this. I can stay at a hotel. I don't need to camp out or, like, you know, always think about, you know, oh, what's the cheapest hotel that I can get, or rentals and this and that. A lot of this stuff is paid for thanks to my digital marketing business. Next, you don't need to be a tech expert. So thing is, you know, you do need to have a website in most cases to be a successful digital marketer, or knowledge of how to do that. But a lot of that stuff these days, especially, you don't need to know coding or this and this and that. Some stuff, yeah, but you don't have to be a tech expert. I am not a tech expert. Anyone that knows me will tell you that this is a true statement. I am not very techy when it comes to things in general, but a lot of stuff is done for you. You just need to know how to be a good digital marketer to succeed, more so than a tech person to succeed, is what I'm trying to say here. Here's another one. Just about anybody can do it. We're talking students, single parents, retirees, truck drivers. I have met people in all walks of life that have become successful digital marketers. I'll actually show you some of them in a moment. But the point is you don't need to be a specific type of category of people in order to succeed in digital marketing. It's a very wide range of people that do this kind of stuff. And one of the best ways to be a successful digital marketer, regardless of what your category, career choice, or history is to basically create a digital marketing business in something that you are very passionate about. So I was talking about nature. Maybe you love mountain bikes. Maybe you love gardening. Maybe you, I don't know, have an interest in martial arts. You can create successful digital marketing businesses on these types of topics and basically monetize your passion. So it doesn't matter if you're a truck driver. It doesn't matter if you're a single parent. You can do this either way. And finally, it's good if you're a beginner or tight on money too. There's very little investment needed. I'll be showing you one of the programs that, in fact, I think it's the best program for teaching you digital marketing, where you can literally try it for free. There's actually a link to try it underneath this video, but don't do that yet. Just please watch this video fully so you understand the full context so you can get the most out of that. But the point is that there's a lot of career choices out there where you need to go to college to pay a lot of money, and there's no telling if you're actually going to be able to get a good job that pays for your tuition, that pays off all that debt. Digital marketing, if you know the right ways to do it, now again, I will be showing you that in this video, how to do it very inexpensively, very cheap. There's very little risk involved in general, so that's another huge benefit of it. But like I was saying, there are some cons, and two of the main ones are it takes time, skill, and hard work to get good at it. Digital marketing is not something that you just wake up one day and just step into the footsteps of success. There's a lot of failure in it, and there's a lot of bad information out there, and a lot of unqualified people that call themselves digital marketers preaching and teaching this kind of stuff, but they don't know what they're talking about. I've seen a lot of them. I'm not a big fan of that kind of stuff, but unfortunately, it's out there. The point is, if you want to be a successful digital marketer, you got to work at it. You have to use a good blueprint that teaches you the right ways to do it, and you actually have to apply yourself in practicing that so you become successful as a digital marketer, okay? Next, lots of scam digital marketing opportunities are out there. There's a lot of make money online programs that say you can make so much money so quickly and this and this and that. A lot of shiny objects, as we like to call them in this business. There's a lot of crap out there basically, and you have to be careful with this kind of stuff. I always help out a lot of people who are they get scammed by programs that promise them riches online and all that kind of stuff, and it's just so BS, so bogus. You have to be careful with these kinds of things. So if you have questions about that, ask me below this video. I can get into more details, but I just don't want to talk about more of this than I need to. Now, with the pros and cons explained, let's get into the next part of this video and basically talk about the two main ways to succeed with digital marketing if you're just getting started with it. The first one is you want to become a skilled digital marketing expert for yourself, like running a successful, profitable website. That's one of the core basics that you need to understand. Maybe in my case, it's like running a successful nature blog or something like that. Maybe I've run successful ads. You want to become your own success story first and run your own business. It's very freelance. I like to do it in the freelance way. I don't like working for anybody. So that's why I prefer to be my own successful digital marketer. But there is a second part to it, which is you take your skills when you become a successful digital marketer and you help other people looking for digital marketing experts help their business grow. Like, for example, if there's a coffee shop, like helping them get more of their customers online. There's a lot of people that practice what's known as, or they have what's known as digital marketing agencies, where they help physical businesses that have no clue how to market online, but they come to them as consultants and they say, hey, we can help you, or I can help you get more exposure for your coffee shop so more people find it when they are on their phone looking for coffee shops in your area. You can get paid great money for that kind of stuff. I mean, digital marketing there's no limit to how much you can make, and in terms of helping and consulting with others, you can get paid thousands every single month per client. So making $10,000 a month, $20,000, $30,000, the sky really is the limit when it comes to these things in terms of success and how much monetary potential there is when it comes to the potential of digital marketing. And it's better to first, like I said before, be your own successful digital marketer before you start going out and helping others do the same later on, and possibly starting a digital marketing agency, which is what a lot of people do when they have that initial success of their own. Okay, so next, I'm getting towards the end of this video. Let's talk about the final thing, which is the best way to get started with digital marketing if you are very new or tight on money. There's a very good chance if you're watching this right now, you're either completely new or very new. Maybe you've tried your hand in this before, or you're likely very tight on money. That's where 99% of people find themselves at. If you want to practice digital marketing, how do you get started with it? Well, here's what I personally say. The best way to learn how to become a successful digital marketing expert, in my experience, is to use a program that teaches you the right ways to do this. Now, Now, in that regard, in my opinion, there's no better program than Wealthy Affiliate to learn how to do that. Now, this is the program that's helped me become a successful digital marketer and an expert at that. Now, this is a program which literally teaches digital marketing and online business. You can also try them for free. There's actually a link below this video if you're watching this on YouTube in the description and the pinned comment, or if you're on my website, there's a link to check it out, risk-free. And what they do is, I'll show you in a moment what they do, but they have tons of success stories and provide basically the training, the tools, and help and more to become a successful digital marketer. And before I show you what they teach, let me just show you some of the many success stories that they have. This is the inside of the Wealthy Affiliate program. See, it says success is happening at Wealthy Affiliate. And these are people that are practicing creating online businesses and learning how to be successful digital marketers by following the training that Wealthy Affiliate teaches, which I will be showing you in just a moment. But this is just a small sample of the many things that they offer you. But basically the point is, here's what they teach. First, they help you create a profitable website on any topic that you love in life, and this is the best for beginners. So like I was saying earlier, I have a nature site, a nature blog. I do have other skills that I have as a digital marketer, but one of the main ways that I make money online is through blogging. And if you have a passion in life, they teach you how to get started with that, make the money, and then invest that money into more advanced things. And this is where the second part comes in, is they offer more courses and training on other digital marketing topics to help you become a well-rounded digital marketer. There are things like SEO, paid ads, YouTube, social media marketing, and so on and so forth. So if you're just getting started, one of the best ways to become a successful digital marketer is to create a website on something that you're very passionate in life, and that's what their core training teaches you how to do. And again, you can check out the initial level 1 training, which is what they have, risk-free. I'm going to show you what that looks like in just a moment. But point is, let me just show you real quick. The best way in getting started with Wealthy Affiliate is there's a link below this video. They are risk-free to test drive. You're going to go through a welcome video once you sign up. There's no credit card required. You're going to start the beginner-friendly training, and then there's a bonus, which is I add in my 7-day coaching on top of this inside the Wealthy Affiliate program. So if you need help, I'm going to be there to help you out. So let me just quickly show you what this looks like. Once you click on the link below this video, you're going to be taken to this page. See, it says no credit card required. You can test drive the program for free, and I encourage you to. Yes, they have an optional upgrade after your free membership, which I do recommend, but more than that, I want you to check this out. Get your feet wet with the business. See how this works. They help you set up a website. They help you get your feet wet with basically choosing something that you're very interested in and taking the first steps necessary to be on your path to creating a successful online business. If you enjoy that, then upgrade. If not, and you see that this is not for you, no problem. You don't have to do it. You don't have to risk anything, but just try the program out. And once you log in, or once you sign up rather, you're going to go through this welcome video. This is one of the creators of the Wealthy Affiliate program. He is a very successful digital marketer. His name is Kyle. You're going to watch this welcome video, and then you're going to get started with the training over here. This training is free. They're going to take you through 4 steps to setting up a successful, profitable website in your area of passion or expertise. So if you love mountain bikes, they'll help you set up a website that promotes and makes money by promoting and selling mountain bikes, and so on and so forth. And there are 10 lessons in total. Here's actually a preview of those 10 lessons that you'll be going through, and this is free training that you'll be able to check out. It's also going to introduce you to the Wealthy Affiliate program. I'll be inside the program to help you out as well. I'm going to leave a message on the profile that you create in this place, and I'll be there to help you. It's also a very large community, and basically they give you all the tools, the training, and support that you need to first set up a very successful online business and become a very successful digital marketer in general, so you can take your skills and grow your own online business or help other people grow their own online businesses as well. So that basically summarizes everything that I wanted to cover in this video on digital marketing, and I really hope that it was helpful and also answered a lot of your questions that you've had. But if you do have any more questions, by all means, you're more than welcome to ask me below this video, whether you're on my website or whether you're watching this on YouTube. But either way, if you're looking to get involved with digital marketing, the best place to do it, in my personal experience and opinion, is through the Wealthy Affiliate program, and you can check them out risk-free. With that said, thanks so much for watching this video. Hope to see you inside the program. Take care.